Guys, I have a big apple pie right here and vanilla ice cream. So this is how American eat. Cut the pie. Oh. Guys, pasensya na po. Walang ma-content. Kailangan kasi palaging may content, guys. Oops. Kaya, ito na. Magko-content ng kain. Kainan na lang. This is a big, huge apple pie. Here's my piece. You want some now, Daddy?
No.
And let's put some ice cream. Nalanay na. And let's eat like this. Pasensya na. Hindi na ako nagpalaway, ha. Ano lang talaga. Walang makontent. So here it is. Ito lang ice cream. Palaging nagko-content. Tapos walang ginagawa kundi nakaupo. Nagre-reply ng mga comment. Ang mga in-up natin dito. So mga content creator magkasakit. You want some na? You want some? You don't want any. You just give me a look. Sarap ng vanilla ice cream with, palapper pa with vanilla ice cream. Oh, tugnaw. Overloaded calories, guys. Lakad tayo. Sayaw mamaya. Thank you for watching, guys.